Can't wrap it. What are you doing? What are you doing putting that in? That wasn't there.
No,
Use are on putting that in.
That's only a box, no me.
I don't give a fuck. You shouldn't have put that in. There's a cat wrapping now. There's going to be problems for you. You won't be getting out of here. You're not doing that against the people. You're on fitting that in here. What the fuck is going on? Dublin Corporation are working against the people. We don't care. Come on, bring it on. Come on, bring a fucking on. I'll shove it up your hole, you little arsehole. Don't you dare get cheeky with me, pal. There, Dublin Corporation working against the people. Cut wrap it. Putting in a boundary box. You want to call the guards, because you won't be getting out of here. That's it, cut wrap it. Water Service putting in boundary boxes. There you go. Look at that. All working against the people. Over and Bunratty across, from Clash to Dulick. You're not fitting that in there. You won't be touching that. You won't be touching that. You won't be touching it. You won't be touching it.
You won't listen.
You won't be touching it.
Will you listen to the woman?
Go ahead.
Right. The woman has no water, so we have to check, is there a leak there? Now that's all.
That's just you're using that as an excuse.
No, we're not. We don't.
Yes, you're using an excuse.
We're not.
You're on putting in a boundary box.
Ask the woman, yes, to see is there a leak
We don't
in
care.
our garden.
We don't care. You're not touching it. Right, that's it. Over and out for this. Yous are on coming down here with the pretense of a leak, and you're on putting in a boundary box. Yeah, you're on knocking her off.
No, we didn't.
So what did you do?
We didn't. She's not water. We were trying to get her water.
So why didn't you go with the old valve? Why didn't you go with the old valve?
Because I'm telling you why.
Why?
You won't listen.
Go ahead, I'll listen. I'll listen to you. Go ahead.
Right, do put a meter into it. The check is the leak in the whole garden. That's all it is.
Look, lads, this is an excuse. This has been done for years before Irish Water came along with these boundary boxes, right?
I'll put a stopcock on that.
Yeah, you put a stopcock back on that. You want the woman to have her water. You're on it. You don't care about the woman. Dublin Corporation Water Service says they don't care about the woman. What are we going to do about these people working against us? Check these out, huh? Can't wrap it. Lucky I came along. Isn't it lucky I came along, caught them wrap it? Now he's threatening to cut the woman's water off and remove the boundary box. Health and safety, no boundaries anywhere. Yeah, he's telling me to get out of here. You're telling me to get out of here. Where is the barriers? Where is the barriers? There's no health and safety here. Dublin Corporation, look what they have, 2 cones. 2 cones. Now he's disconnecting it and he's going to shut the woman's water off. Right, go for it, we'll check this. Good man, good man. Fair play to you. Don't be putting in boundary boxes. Working against the public. You're part of this public, you're a citizen. I don't care for the excuses. It's a boundary box for Irish water. Right, good man. Don't be working against your public. So they're disconnecting it now, huh? You shouldn't have connected it in the first place. There you go, disconnected. Just as well I came along. Everyone else is just walking by. What the hell is going on? Dublin Corporation Water Service working against the public. That's all we want. Work with the people, don't work against us. And we appreciate that. That's what it's all about. The Garda are corrupt, the government is corrupt, arresting everyone, making up sections and laws. Just took it out just now. Stop cock, put back on. We appreciate that. We know the corporation are working against the people. You are only employees, but at the end of the day, you should refuse. You should refuse to do it.
I told you the reason why we did it.
I know you did it.
We can't now say.
Lucky I arrived when I did. Working on behalf of the council. Done and dusted. Dublin Corporation, over and out for use. Writers.